Hello everyone. Are you wasting too much time crafting a perfect blog outline? If yes, GetGenie is here with an excellent solution. Now you can generate outlines inside Gutenberg. Go to Add New under the blog post and click the Write for Me button. Now choose the blog wizard template from where you can do the keyword research and competitor analysis along with the title, intro, and outline generation. After doing keyword research and competitor analysis, adjust language, tone, creativity, and results. Then click the Generate Title button. This will provide you with multiple titles. Select a suitable title from here and click the Next button. Now select Language, Tone, Creativity, and Results for the intro and hit the Generate Intro button. Like the title, choose an intro and press the Next button. After adjusting all the input fields, select the Generate Outline button. You can select an individual heading from here, or you can simply choose Select All to add all headings to the outline at once. Besides, you can also generate outline outside Gutenberg by using the outline template. To do that, hit the outline template and insert blog intro. After adding the intro, select language, tone, creativity, and results like before and press the right button to generate outlines using GetGenie. Thus, your blog outline is ready in less than a few minutes. I hope this video helped you and you liked our video. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching the video.